Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to show you how to make this quilted zipper pouch. So let's start. Here is all the pieces you need to make the bag. Front part having 2 pieces, back part, zip, scissor. For decoration I am using this fabric embroidered lace and next this multicolored tassel. Once you have all of your pieces cut out, you are ready to stitch. Start by laying bottom front piece right side up, then line your zipper up with the long edges also right sides up, then the outer piece right side down, and then whatever you using padding. Stitch close to the zipper. Then flip everything in a right side out and top stitch along the edges of the fabric. Repeat same process with the top piece of front part of the bag, lining right sides up, zipper right sides up, then outer right side down and layer padding. Then stitch, flip and top stitch. To decorate this bag, I am going to attach this embroidered lace on front of the bag and next this multicolor tassel to the lower edge of the lace. To attach this tassel, arrange them how you want and stitch them in a place using thread and needle or stitching machine. For back of the bag, lay the lining right side down, the padding and the outer right side up. Stitch all layer together however you want. Lay the front and back pieces together like right sides are out and stitch along the entire outer edge to attach everything together. Trim up any excess. Now it's time to bind the edges. Fold your binding piece in a half right side up and iron. Then stitch it around the entire outer edge, just like that. Once the binding has been stitched to the bag, bring it around to the front and top stitch it into the place. And that is it. Your quilted zipper pouch is ready to use. You can use this bag to put your cosmetics or whatever you want. So if you like this video, then give a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channel and please press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. Thanks for watching.